Come with me for my birthday brunch at Cake Bake Shop.
We're at the Cake Bake Shop. We finally made it over for her birthday today.
They gave us a little birthday sign.
I'll show it on the other side.
Okay, so first thing we ordered was drinks. I got their version of an espresso martini, which was highly recommended. It's the Black Swan. It has espresso, Kettle One vodka, St. George Nova coffee liqueur, Irish cream, and vanilla simple syrup. And then because it's my birthday, I forced Felix to get a mimosa because I wanted to try both.
She did.
Yay!
I was gonna do something else, but it's her birthday.
It's my day. I picked the drinks. While we're waiting, we're just taking in the ambiance of the Cake Bake Shop. It's so beautiful. There's flowers
Gorgeous.
everywhere, and then we're sitting right in front of like the little center part that's a carousel, and one of the servers told us it rotates every hour, so you get to see all of these different scenes, and like the little stuffed animals are animatronic. I don't think so. What do you want? Fun. Then he'll get the mimosa.
And I'll just have water. We can get going right away for your family. And of course, as far as our menu of large items to choose from, at least for hors d'oeuvres, you're going to see your pesto cottage, your pesto cheese, and your pesto bolognese. Put them all together. And of course, take along your pizza. So you're going to see your truffle oil, Parmesan cheese.
First sip, the cane is so pretty and it's very, very, very full. So be very, very careful. Which, if you know me, that's gonna be hard. I'm a proud millennial who loves espresso martinis, and this is a very good one. And it's sparkly.
We'll try.
Oh, let's go. Thank you.
Let's see what it's talking about. I love the glass. That is amazing. Mm.
Now it's mimosa time. It's so
Dude, that
good.
espresso martini is so good.
I'm glad we got to try it.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it is fantastic.
As soon as you said our espresso martini, I was like, done. Check.
Bartender makes her with those and egg coffee.
I could,
So
I believe
good.
it. We got the
Time.
mimosa, looking pretty good.
She's a classy broad.
Delicious. I mean, mimosas are mimosas, but that is delicious.
Mimosa time. Very good. I usually like different juices. I'm not the biggest orange fan for mimosas. Like I love passion fruit, but this one is very good. Very refreshing. But back to the queen.
That espresso martini is crazy good.
And I love the name because I was a ballerina nerd. Growing up, I was a point obsessed ballerina girly for the longest, for at least 14 years of my life. And it's the Black Swan from Swan Lake.
Delicious.
Which Cake Bake Shop has a lot of ballerina vibes. So I appreciate it. Okie dokie. So the food is here. I got the 12-layer club sandwich, and I upgraded to get the side of the truffle fries, which are they look delicious. So I'm gonna go ahead and flip the camera so you can see it really quickly, and then we'll talk about what Felix got to eat because we're having a bite
Shrimp
of
po'
that
boy,
too. We surely are.
French onion.
So here we have the 12-layer club sandwich with a garlic aioli and the truffle fries. Looks very delicious. Very nice, and it's a huge portion, so your girl gonna have leftovers. Felix got the shrimp po' boy, no pickle, because he hates fun. And then he got a side of regular fries, since I have the truffle fries. And I just think for his sandwich, the little rose pick is just so adorable and very on vibe for the restaurant. If you look inside, it's very well filled. We see the shrimps and the lettuce and all of the fixins. And then it came with 3 different sauces: an aioli, a ketchup, and what's the other one?
Crystal hot sauce.
A crystal hot sauce as well. It's sandwich time! As my mother keeps stealing my fries.
A good fry.
I'm glad you like the fries. You approve? They're yummy for you?
I like a bite of that sandwich.
Oh, you'll get a bite of that sandwich because there's a lot here.
It looks good.
I love clubs. Oh my god.
It's so good. It has avocado, which I love. Excuse my messiness.
Avocado and
But it's a whole experience sandwich.
It has Dijon. It has everything.
What seasonings on this fries?
That's a truffle.
So it's like truffle, and I think it has like a cheese. I need to look at the menu again to see. But it's very good. I love club sandwiches, and this one is very good. If y'all are thinking about getting it when you come, it's a great choice. In case anybody was wondering, it is my actual birthday, and we are here with my parents, who I keep talking to when we're off camera. So, Mom has given us special permission to introduce herself. Say hello to the people, Mommy.
Hello, hello. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
And who are you?
Mommy dearest.
Mommy Dearest. And Mommy Dearest also has a YouTube channel, which is
Ice Cold Reviews. So go check it out when you have a chance and leave a comment or a thumbs up.
you have a review for this place as well.
I have a review for this place as well, which we'll be posting very soon.
I'd love to hear your thoughts.
Yes, it's a wonderful place. Fantastic. It's a great place to celebrate wonderful occasions.
All right, y'all. So I got the shrimp po' boy, the French onion soup. It was supposed to come out first, but it didn't. But the French onion soup, very good. Nothing crazy, but good. The baguette that it comes with and the whipped butter, fire. I'm a bread connoisseur. This bread is amazing. Very good stuff. I did try the club as well. Amazing. I love club sandwiches. It just has so many layers to it. Fantastic. Now on the po' boy, really nice shrimp on here. The bread is like harder than I expected though on the top, like very crusty and kind of like falls apart. Sandwich is good overall, but the bread could have some more love to it. And fries are fries. I did come with like this really good aioli. Very good. Put some of that aioli on here. And then a little bit of the hot sauce. So that's what it looks like right there. That's a good bite. So, bread is important. And the bread on the po' boy, not the best. Good sandwich, but the bread, just think of like Cuban bread that gets like 2 days old. It's exactly what it was like. Way too crumbly, just not soft enough. That club sandwich though, 10 out of 10. Immense layers, horseradish Dijon flavor, just delicious sandwich, delicious. I'm a sauce guy, so having a little spread of sauces is really nice. Pretty full right now, but yeah. Look at that burger. Damn. A big old burger just went by.
Be having a phone call where people's plates pass by.
Listen. Once a foodie, always a foodie.
And it's all glittery. It has little confetti baked in, like your traditional children's birthday cake. And the menu said that it had a little bit of almond in it. And you can taste it. It has like that perfect, delicate, fragile dessert flavor. It's very, very good. Happy birthday to me! Oh yeah, I got a little glitter mustache beard. It's special.
So, babe, how was the cake bake shop?
It was really good. It is on the pricier side, so bring your prepared Disney wallet.
Yeah.
But
I think there's a reason there was a lot of birthdays.
Yeah.
Because it's not a regular everyday.
it's definitely a great special occasion. And then I got the special birthday cake slice that they do the Pixie Glitter Wish for. And it was a confetti, so it was like your typical kid's birthday cake type deal. But it was definitely a wonderful birthday experience. So highly recommend for birthdays.
And the folks were here.
And we brought the parents.
Ice cold
And it
reviews.
was wonderful. Ice cold review.
We'll soon have a
at
sailing
Grace.
channel probably.
Yes,
Right.
very soon. Coming soon.
All in all, great birthday. Hooray!